I'll show you exactly how to verify your PayPal account, which is the only way to remove withdrawal limits, reduce payment holds, and prove to other users that you are a trusted account holder. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, there is one golden rule. The name on your bank account or card must match the name on your PayPal account exactly. PayPal's automated verification AI will instantly flag accounts where the names don't match, which can lead to a permanent limitation. The quickest way to get verified is by using the Instant Link feature. This uses an encrypted connection to confirm your bank details in under 2 minutes. Log into your PayPal app and tap on your wallet. Tap and select Bank Account. Choose your bank from the list of major providers like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. You'll be prompted to log in using your bank's username and password. Once you sign in and authorize the link, PayPal confirms your account instantly and you are officially verified. If your bank isn't on the instant list or you prefer not to share your login details, you can use the manual method. In your PayPal wallet, select Link Your Bank. Enter your routing and account numbers manually. PayPal will send 2 tiny deposits to your bank account, both under $1. In 1 to 3 business days, check your bank statement for these amounts. Return to your PayPal wallet, tap the bank, and enter those 2 exact amounts to finish the verification. You can also verify your account by linking a credit card or debit card. To do this, link your card in the wallet and tap Confirm Card. PayPal will place a small temporary charge of $1.95 on your card. Check your card's digital statement for a 4-digit code labeled PP1234 code. Enter those 4 digits back into the PayPal app. The $1.95 will be refunded to you automatically once confirmed. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.